How to fix Apple Music not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now search for Apple Music. After it appears, if you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update your Apple Music to its latest version. And then you can check whether it is working or not. Heading towards next solution, close this, open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of general. Scroll all the way down, click on the option transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset all settings. Click on reset all settings. With that, all the settings of your phone will be reset. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Now heading towards very last solution, you have to first restart your device. For that, you'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all this process, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix Apple Music not working after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.